KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 20th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather dry through Thanksgiving. Next batch of rain Friday night, ending early Saturday, and maybe more rain before the weekend is over. Kind of an active pattern once we get past Thanksgiving. So let's dive in and take a look. This is the upper air pattern across the country this afternoon, troughing over the east, pulling down a cool, dry air mass. There's the visible satellite view. You can see much of the state with bright sunshine. Just a few scattered clouds down south and up in the northeastern counties. As advertised, noticeably cooler today, only 40s in parts of North Alabama. Birmingham at 52. We'll expect a freeze for most spots early tomorrow morning. And around the nation, very cold air for the Great Lakes and the Northeast. That'll be deepening there. And again, we're thinking that Thanksgiving will be one of the coldest on record for many of the major cities in the Northeast United States. Very cold for that Thanksgiving Day parade in New York City Thursday morning. Got a few scattered winter weather advisories, a few up in the Northeast, a few in Colorado around the mountains. Otherwise, things are quiet. We also note some issues around California with potential for snow in the Sierra Nevadas and some flash flooding for some of the northern counties there. Severe weather? Nope, not anytime soon. Maybe some thunder this evening for around El Paso, Texas, and south of Orlando in Florida. Rain for the next 7 days. A lot of rain for the upper part of the Pacific coast from San Francisco north out west. In the east, we'll see a pretty good bit of rain and snow in Alabama. Amounts about 1 inch, and a lot of that will be Friday evening and Friday night. In the tropics, quiet. Hurricane season almost over. 10 more days, and we're done for the year. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. And again, you can see we got the trough on the east coast, a zonal flow, and a dry air mass. And this is your big travel day for much of the country. And you can see it's pretty quiet. Some snow in the northeast, rain for Seattle, Portland, San Francisco, but other than that, no major airport hub problems. And for us, it will be a sunny day with a high in the 50s. Thanksgiving Day, we stay dry. We start the day in the 30s. The high will be close to 60, a very nice day. And again, very cold up in the northeastern states. That's just very, very cold air settling in there. Now, Friday got a wave to the west, 999 millibar low that's over Kansas. The day Friday looks dry, but boom, here comes the rain Friday night. That's Friday night at midnight. And, of course, the question is, when does that rain start? Because we have high school football playoff games. Best possible case, the rain comes in after the games are over. It might be that way, but it sure looks like the rain will start at least during a part of those games. Maybe some thunder. Don't expect any severe weather. Saturday, midday, the rain well to the east. Saturday would be a mild day. Now, there's no cool air behind this thing. In fact, we'll be way up in the 60s, maybe pushing 70 on Saturday. A very comfortable day for the Iron Bowl. This is the European at noon Saturday, and it's got the bulk of the rain east of here, maybe some lingering rain for the eastern half of the state. But again, we see a dry, mostly cloudy afternoon for the Iron Bowl in Tuscaloosa with temperatures well up in the 60s, maybe near 70 at kickoff. It'll be very comfortable. Now, Sunday, here comes the next wave. Got a very deep surface low that's over Missouri. That could be a blizzard for parts of Iowa and Wisconsin, maybe the northwestern corner of Missouri. And if we had instability, that would be a severe weather look for Sunday, but we don't. We have very little moisture and not much instability. This is Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, showing a batch of showers and maybe a thunderstorm passing through with a deep surface low approaching Chicago, and again, blizzard conditions for parts of Wisconsin, Iowa, Missouri. That'll be kind of a nasty deal. This is when people are going home now as the Thanksgiving weekend wraps up. This is the surface-based Cape, and there's a little narrow tongue out ahead of that thing. And we often say it doesn't take a lot of Cape for severe storms. We'll kind of monitor the conditions as we get closer to this thing on Sunday, just something to watch for now. And then Monday, we all go back to work. A nasty-looking nor'easters up there on the Jersey Shore. A lot of wind and rain, maybe snow for the northeast. But for us, Monday looks dry and cool with gradual clearing, the high in the 50s. And this is Tuesday, a deep trough over the east, cool and dry. The high would be around 50. We start the day most likely below freezing. Let's go out 10 days, Friday of next week, the 30th of November. Look at that negative tilt trough and a deep surface low that's over Arkansas. And again, if by chance this verifies, that might be a severe weather look for parts of the deep south. But this is 10 days out there, nothing more than voodoo. This will probably be gone on the next run. Here are the numbers coming off the European. Notice those 60s for the weekend, but other than that, highs mostly in the 50s, lows mostly in the 30s for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.